Grandpa?
I know.
Can you say Papa? Anna said Papa earlier.
Really?
Uh-huh. Whoa! Get there! Okay, go. Oh, is you okay, buddy? You're gonna dance on my TV.
Say grandmother to get her.
Got a long time, so grandma. Someone is very like, but he gets his way every day when Daddy comes home.
What are you doing down there?
Should have been practicing. It's good exercise, huh? Yeah, grandmother should have been practicing before she got here. Yeah. Get a sack of potatoes, 20 pound potatoes, and stick them on your knees. Okay, I'm praying. What are you doing? I was practicing. Yeah.
Hey Anna.
Look, where's Daddy?
Hey Anna.
Say him hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Hey, Daddy.
Hey.
Do you like your pretty chair, Anna? That's
You can't say we raised two antisocial children.
I've said from the beginning he has my hair. That my hair was exactly the same color, the same texture as his was when I was little. Of course, he's a little bit shorter, so it never manifests itself quite the same
Hey
way.
Daddy, you just follow Seth around all day and you'll burn calories.
Do what Seth does. And you'll
Craig, Judy's son.
And here's Anna's
Thick, but right
chair.
here he's let it.
Isn't that a pretty chair? Grandmother and Granddaddy gave that to Anna. That's so pretty.
Not
Yeah,
just,
Anna's
not
taking a
pink
shine
curly,
to it.
but curly and wavy.
Yeah.
And then there's the other one right there.
Get her hair.
These will be family heirlooms, I guess.
Craig.
Okay. Say hey, Tess.
Hi.
Hi. This will probably be for your parents. I'll send this to your parents.
Okay, my parents would love that. Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. We love you. We miss you.
Say hi, Seth.
Hi.
And there's Anna. She's waving. She's flapping.
Hi, Grandpa and Grandma.
Yeah.
This is Grandmother, and there's Granddaddy. And we come to see your wonderful grandchildren.
She has
And
to go.
my wonderful grandchildren. Yes, I am, don't you? Come and see me. Come see me.
You go ride your car. See you later. Bye,
Come on.
Booty.
Whoa.
What you doing, Anna?
And it's raining, raining, raining.
Yeah, it's just a raining. And Anna's just a going. She's just a going.
You fly? Are you flying? Hey, what do you got?
Just raining out there. You see it? All right. Well, enough for now. A little later then. Anyway, enough from. Okay, this is near bedtime here. Here's Seth. He's doing his some kind of a little evening ritual now. He's gonna race over to Granddaddy. Meanwhile, she's feeding her. Here we go again. Tag the piano to Granddaddy. Oh! And Grandmother's feeding Anna some ice cream.
Ice cream is yummy, yummy. Seth, you want some more ice cream? Good ice cream. Yummy. Seth? Seth, you want another bite? Seth, you want another bite? Huh? Want another bite?
So I think so. I think Grandmother. Yummy ice cream.
You need to slow down.